Hello everyone. In this video, we will see how to pin someone on Snapchat. So let's get into it. First of all, let's navigate to the Snapchat app on your phone and tap on the icon to open it. Once you are in, tap on the chat icon from the bottom menu. Here, find the chat with the person you want to pin. Let's suppose I want to pin my AI chat. So I will press and hold on the chat and a menu will pop up with various options. Tap on Chat Settings. In the Chat Settings menu, select Pin Conversation. And there you go. The chat with the person is pinned to the top of your chat screen, making it easier to find and access the conversation. You can pin up to 3 conversations at a time on Snapchat. And that's it. This is how you can pin someone on Snapchat. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more information, please subscribe our YouTube channel and thank you for watching.